Hey everybody, uh, try to kind of give you another example how dirty uh, the federal system can be when the prosecutor try to justify conviction of any means. They do whatever it takes, right? Today I'm gonna show the picture of my ex-employee. Her name is Renata Moreira. She's also from Brazil. She came to the United States with tourist visa. Her husband entered the United States through the Mexico border. He stayed in the United States for many years illegal, work under the umbrellas of everyone. And anyway, so the prosecutor, of course, know Renata's deal. And after couldn't convince me to plea out over a year, so they went knocking her door, and of course had the FBI agent Roy Van Brun, offer her a deal. We forget about the crime you just committed if you help us to turn Rogerio Scotton under the bus. So anyway, just to kind of give a little hands up, what happened is that Renata, under what they call power of attorney, she divorced her real husband, Marco Moura, right? In fact, the guy that helped her do the whole paperwork, her name is Edson Porto, also a Brazilian guy that lives at Boca Raton, Florida. I don't know if he's still doing a real estate, but that's the kind of stuff that he used to do back in the days. And he helped her with the whole paperwork, of course, with the knowledge that she was about to engage in a felony. So anyway, she met this Brazilian guy, which has obtained a citizenship, U.S. citizenship. So she paid this guy $10,000 to marry her. And during the whole immigration process, her real husband, Marco Moura, got her pregnant with another kid, because prior she has a daughter. And to avoid any suspicion, she named the kid after the guy and put his name under his birth certificate. Of course, the guy also done his fraud part by declaring income tax under the baby that he know it is not his son. So anyway, with this whole knowledge, the prosecutor invited Renata now to testify against me, even though I have a subpoena Renata previous to testify as a defense witness. They flip everything else, because they have no case. There's not such a thing as a mail fraud, so they have to put the little typical pony dog, pony show inside the court. So brought Renata to testify, of course. She start on beginning lie about everything and anything, which is in the transcripts that I post on my website, scottomracing.com. So, but when I start cross-examining Renata, she admitted, and at one point live with the both guys, John Mezentsef, whatever his freaking name is, it is in the paperwork that I'm posting here right now, and also married to Marco Moura. However, she didn't admit that Marco Moura is the father of the new baby, the new boy, right? So she tried to kind of, find a way to lie and cover up, but eventually, so many contradictions, she give up, and it is cutting a lie. She obstructed justice. She lie on the stand. The judge know, everybody knows, and nothing was done. So, they get away with that too. They put a criminal to take the stand to testify against me, which it is a joke because she tried to even testify that my marriage was a shame, when the fact that she's the one doing this kind of fake marriage to be able to stay in the United States. Pretty much sure today she's probably already a citizen in the United States, but what a shame, when your constitution say one thing and your government allow people to break the law, knowing that they break the law. So this woman, Renata Moreira, and her husband has broke federal laws with the government's knowledge, right? So that show you a whole lot about United States Constitution and United States law. So when you think that you have rights, that the law is on your side, you think twice, because they manipulated the law, they used the law on their behalf and throw your ass in prison. Okay, so Renata probably has Facebook, always hiding from people at this point also, because she's changed her name, make sure nobody gonna find out where she is and who she is. But the truth is the truth, Renata. You can hide it, right? So I'm gonna let the whole United States know now that you obtain a citizenship by fraud, right? So you defraud taxpayers for many years. Your husband has defrauded taxpayers for many years also, because you guys live there without paying taxes, right? And now you guys obtain United States citizenship by fraud. What a shame. I'm not even counting the fraud of giving false statement when you sign their kid on somebody else's name, knowing that who's the real father. So that's the lady that done a crime, and she get away with the crime. She get a free card. You're fine, right? But for what you done to me, and for what you done to my family, to my mom, gosh, you're gonna have to pay for. See, that's the circle of life, Renata. Life in general is gonna make you pay for. You don't get away with this kind of behavior. You don't get away with your own fraud by doing what you done to me and my family, because I have done all wonderful things to you. But now it's time for you to pay for. And I really hope the American people will do something about it, because now the American people know that they have a criminal live on the country, right? You're a criminal, Renata. You know you are a criminal. You pay someone $10,000 and you defraud the government. You obtain a citizenship by fraud. You and your sorry ass husband, both of them, hope somehow they go ahead and chase you guys and your ass be in jail. All right? Anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. That's the picture of Renata right there. I'll be posting my Scotton Racing website, Instagram, Facebook. I'm gonna advertise on a flyer's ass if I have to, because everybody gonna know who you are, Renata. Until next time, everybody.